This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. Humor has been defined as a form of assembling behavior and regularities in a society to make people laugh. Humor has been said to constitute two opposing realities. The social diversity between different people is a key indicator of what is to be considered humorous. Many situations generate humor for different individuals depending on their cultural backgrounds. It has also been said that age and gender play an increasingly influencing role in identifying the response of people to different jokes. Functions of joking. Since humor applies to different cultural and social groups, it has been said to have the sole function of enhancing class interactions. Joking creates a relationship whereby two individuals or groups of people become free to exchange any form of communication. Humor has a vital function, which it makes sure that potentially disruptive sentiments are contained in a joking way. In other words, what may appear to be a sensitive issue may be discussed without being serious. It serves as a defense in situations when a person makes a controversial statement rather than simply asserting it was to be a joke. Secondly, humor is also used as an expression of a common identity whereby a person makes fun of a situation he or she is experiencing. Humor can also be extended to circumstances whereby a feeling of free interaction is desired. This mostly happens in a working environment when new workers meet. It can also be used when unfamiliar people have met. Jokes are highly effective in making sure that what seemed boring is given a twist, and everyone gets involved in the discussion. Comedy is serious. It is essential to note that humor has been used, and it is still being used to put people down. These types of humor are extremely common in almost every society and cross-cultural societies. Men have used jokes to express hostility towards women. Similar jokes have also been used to make fun of the gays' sexual orientations. Ethnic conflicts have been held to be one of the leading forces behind jokes. Jokes are analyzed in different forms according to the aim of a certain joke. There are ethnic jokes, which make fun of certain ethnic characters. Classical theories. There are three categories of jokes which clearly define and classify jokes. First, humor is said to be an expression of supremacy. This means that the function stands for a hostile and cruel classification of others in the most unjust and unfair ways to assert a supreme status. It sometimes entails making fun of disabled people and the social justice system. Secondly, jokes can also be used to relieve tension. The relief may also be used to find an appropriate way of dealing with problems by establishing a creative way of solving them. It can also be pegged to the desire to get pleasure. Lastly, incongruity has been said to exist when a person creates a gap between people's expectations and the present situation. Conclusion. Jokes have been widely used in the past to send different messages and to serve different functions. The most influencing factor in whichever type of joke is made is the cultural group. It has been established that what may be interpreted as funny by one group may not necessarily be funny to all groups. In the past, there are numerous functions which have made jokes popular and widely applicable in day-to-day interactions. If you want to find more works like this essay on humor and jokes, what's so funny, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects.